Hello everyone, this is Pico Entertainment and we are back again, and here now we have another drawing video for you, and this is now the completed version of my earlier drawing of Carnage. Here now you will see all the various shades and colours that I will add to this picture to complete the drawing. And also, if you are a fan of my artwork and you have a character that you would like to see me draw in the future, then just leave a comment in the comment section or contact me via my social media. Also, press those like and subscribe buttons and help me grow this channel as I provide more content for you. And also be aware that you don't just get art videos, you get lots of other content on this channel. You get lots of movie reviews, you get anime reviews, you get sports analysis, and also commentary on pop culture as well. So be sure to check out all the content. You can access all the playlists, so you have all the videos in a nice order for you as well. So that's it for now. Take care of yourselves. There'll be more drawing videos coming soon in the future. Characters including Super Saiyan VEGETA, which will be the next one, He-Man the 1983 version, and also Battle Angel ALITA. But if you have a favourite character that you'd like to see me draw, then again, just let me know or give me any other suggestions or questions or queries that you have regarding my artwork or the processes that I use. So that's it for now. Take care of yourselves, stay at safe distances, and enjoy my coloured version of Carnage.
つの巨大なシステムによって支配されています。